Hello guys, welcome to the fourth lecture of base method of multiplication. Okay. In the previous three lectures, we had covered the questions in which the base was always a power of 10. That is, the base was either 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 and so onwards. Okay. Now, for the first time, we will be covering questions in which the base is not always a power of 10. Okay. So, we will be solving all these questions because we believe that solving questions is the best way of learning mathematics. Okay. So, now let us get started with the first two questions. Now, the first question is 46 into 47. Now, these two numbers are closest to the number that is 50, and hence we will take the base is equals to 50. Okay. Now, please pay attention because initially we will be learning a few steps which are different from what we have already covered in the previous classes. Okay. Now we have 46. Now 46 is 4 less than 50. So we write minus 4. 47 is 3 less than 50. So we write minus 3. Then again we add these two numbers. So 47 minus 4 is equals to 43. And then we multiply minus 4 and minus 3, thereby getting 1, 2. Now earlier this was all that we had to do and we wrote the answer as 4312, but that would be wrong in this case because the base here is not equals to 10, rather the base here is equal to 50. So now what we are going to do is we are going to multiply this quantity by the number 5 because 50 is equals to 5 into 10 and we have to multiply the first part by this number. Okay. So 43 into 5 is equals to 215 and then we have a 1, 2. But again, do not write your answer as 21512 because that would be wrong. The reason is because this is a base 50 and it has only one 0 in the end. So this will be a single digit number which simply implies that this 1 will get carried over and hence the answer will be 2162. Therefore, we can say that 46 into 47 is equals to 2162 and that is the answer for this question. Okay. Now, let us check out the other question. So, we have 48 into 41. Again, the base is equals to 50. We write 48. Now, 48 is 2 less than 50. So, we write minus 2. 41, we write minus 9 over here and then we add these two quantities. 41 minus 2 is equals to 39. Minus 2 into minus 9 is equals to 18 and then we multiply the first part by the number 5. Okay, as was done in the previous question. Okay, now 39 into 5 is equals to 195 and then 1 8. So again this 1 will get carried over and hence our answer will be 1968. Okay. I hope you have understood this so far. Now let us check out some more questions. So now we have the square of the number 47. So again 47 minus 3, 47 minus 3, adding these two numbers we get 47 minus 3 is equals to 44 and then 3 into 3 is equals to 9. But we have to multiply the first part by the number 5, thereby getting 220 and this is a single digit number which is acceptable and hence the answer would be 2209. Okay. Now let us check out the next question. So we have 53 square. We can write it as 53 plus 3, 53 plus 3. So 53 plus 3 will now give us 56 and then 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Now we have to multiply the first part by the number 5 as was done earlier. So 56 into 5 will give us 280 and this is a single digit number, so this is acceptable and hence our answer will be 2809, which is equals to the square of the number 53. Okay. Now let us check out the next question. So here we have 53 into 56. So we write 53, 3, 56, 6. Again the base is equals to 50. So we add these two numbers. So 56 plus 3 is equals to 59, and we multiply these two numbers, that is 3 into 6. So we get 18. Okay. But then we have to multiply the first part by the number 5 as was done earlier. So 59 into 5 will give us 295, and then we write this 18, but this should be a single digit number, so this 1 will get carried over, and hence our answer will be 2968. Okay. Now for the next question we have 52 into 59. So 52 plus 2, 59 plus 9, then adding these two we get 61. 2 into 9 is equals to 18. 61 into 5 is equals to 305. This 1 will get carried over. Okay, I am just going to write down these steps. Obviously this 1 is going to get carried over, and hence we are going to get the answer as 3068. Okay. Now let us check out the last two questions of this lecture. So we have 44 into 52 and 47 into 58. Now one number is below the base, so the base here is again equals to 50. So one number is below the base and the other number is above the base. Okay. So 44, now we are going to write minus 6 over here. So 52 and we are going to write 2. Then you add these two numbers. So 44 plus 2 is going to give us 46. Minus 6 into 2 is going to give us 12 bar. So 46 into 5 will be 230 with a 12 bar on top of it. Obviously this 1 bar will get carried over, so we will get 229 2 bar, which will give you the answer as 2288. Okay, and that, my friends, is the answer to this question. Now for the last question, again the base is equals to 50. So 47 minus 3, 58 plus 8, then you add these two numbers, so we get 55, and then minus 3 into 8 is equals to 24 bar. Okay, so 55 into 5 is equals to 275, but then again you write 2 bar, 4 bar. This 2 bar will get transferred over here, and hence we get 2734 bar. Now this is equals to 2730 minus 4. So we can write down the answer as 2726, and this, my friends, is equals to the multiplication of the two numbers 47 and 58. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.